No industry has been more impacted by the technological developments than manufacturing. Manufacturing has become faster, cheaper, and more efficient thanks to the introduction of robots. The industrial robot is a robot system used for manufacturing. It's automated, programmable, and capable of movement. With these machines, precision and the ability to be reprogrammed for specific tasks is much more valued than speed. Often, robots are designed or integrated with a specific task in mind and tailored to meet the unique needs of that task. The robot's actions are directed by a combination of programming software and controls.
Robotics and automation plays a very important role as they enable greater efficiency in the consumption of both raw materials and the energy needed in production. Additionally, you can exactly control the amount of material that is needed to obtain a product and the exact time that a certain process demands to get the best result.
A robot can carry out many types of applications, as material handling, assembly, welding, and packaging, and depending on the task, robots have different sizes and technical features. Small and fast robots for handling of little components, while heavy payload robots used in foundries. Robots can have different available tools, and they have to be programmed accordingly to the operation that has to be performed, define the path and the mathematics of the components that have to be manipulated.
Robotic manufacturing technology is also becoming safer to operate. Cameras, sensors, and automatic shut-off capabilities enable robots to sense and stay clear of humans in the workplace. This automated functionality allows robots to operate 24/7, as well as with hazardous materials and in challenging environments, freeing staff to complete other duties. All of these increases productivity and profitability while eliminating labor-intensive activities that might cause physical strain or potential injury.
Robotic automation can increase the productivity of a manufacturing process and perform repetitive and dangerous tasks, while human operator can focus on really value-added operations. Common philosophy of human manufacturing is based on the strong belief that people have to be to the center of the manufacturing systems, and automation has to improve efficiency, but always ensuring safety and ergonomics of people.
Industry robots are a fantastic innovation for the industry. However, they can suffer some damages. What happens in that case?
There are many large companies that estimate a certain lifespan for the robots that are in their products, depending on the requirement and the maintenance that is stored. Occasionally, the robot is not expected to failures and repairments, but when the end of the life is over or approached, it is replaced by another. There are also companies that collect these discarded robots and give them a second life, and offer them to other companies where the products can be less demanding and can use the same refurbished robot.
All in all, the digitization and innovative use of robots in manufacturing can definitely have a strong impact on the circular economy and on the benefits and evolution of the industry.